Yes, finally a very warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this multi-spreader event for innovative ideas and projects around the world. Just for innovative ideas and projects around the world. That's very important to say. A very warm welcome to this 15th award ceremony for the Smarter E Awards, the ES Awards and the Intersolar Awards. It's so good to be back in person here in Munich because, as you of course all know, for the last 2 years we've been celebrating this award ceremony, but we had to hand over the trophies and the certificates to the winners, of course, virtually. So it's good to be back just after 7 months after the Smarter E Europe 2021 restart. My name is Kielan Reichert. I'm really happy to be with you once again. As I said before, I think this is my 10th time this year here on stage handing over these most important awards. And I do so because of our organizers say, well, let's have an award at all. Let's organize this. Let's, at the end of the day, also pay for this. And that's why it's very important at this point of time to say thank you to the organizers. So thank you to FWTM, which is Freiburg's marketing and management organization. Green City of Freiburg. Always worth a visit. Of course, thank you very much to the BSW, that's the German Solar Association. Thank you for supporting us for such a long time. Thank you to the Association of European Manufacturers of Automotive, Industrial and Energy Storage Batteries, Eurobut. And of course, a great thank you to Solar Promotion. Yeah! All right, then let's move on. Today I have the pleasure to hand over a total of 12 awards. That means 6 the Smarter E Awards in 2 different categories, Outstanding Projects and Smart Renewable Energies, and 3 ES Awards for Innovative Storage Solutions, and 3 Intersolar Awards for, of course, Innovative PV Solutions. All right, I think we're all set. Besides one little issue. As you can see, I have a trophy here. But as you all know, I mean, I don't have to tell you, there are some issues today and in the last couple of weeks, getting your stuff right on time to wherever you want to have it, right? So our trophies are somewhere above us. We don't know. Maybe they're in the plane. Maybe they will be in Munich tonight, but we don't know. Maybe they are here tomorrow. We will hand them over as soon as we have them. So I have this very nice dummy here, but for all of you who will be winners, you get the certificate, you get all the benefits, but no trophy today, I'm sorry. All right, well then, let's get started, and we will start with the Smarter E Awards 2022. Yes, as I said before, we'll hand over 6 awards, 3 for the category Outstanding Projects for realized projects in the fields of renewable energies, and 3 in the category Smart Renewable Energy. And let me just read that: for innovative and intelligent products in the areas of sector coupling, grid infrastructure, digitalization, business models, green hydrogen, and e-mobility. Well, and then, of course, we have a lot of finalists, we have a lot of people from around the globe who want to take home these awards. So somebody had to decide, right, who will be a winner, who will be a finalist. And so I'm really happy to introduce you our top jury. They're all here, I think most of you at least. Thank you for supporting us here. Big applause for the top jury, Smart Renewable Energy, and then Outstanding Projects. All right, and then let's start with the category Smart Renewable Energy. All right, and now it's time for the finalists. Here they are, the finalists for the Smarter E Awards 2022 Smart Renewable Energy. It's a first achievement. Be among the finalists. Because I forgot to say before, we have 90 entries, so being among the finalists is really the first victory of the day. All right, but now it's time for our first winner. By the way, all winners are equal, so it doesn't matter if you receive your award as the first or the last or the 12th or the 6th, it doesn't matter, they are all equal. And here comes winner number 1 of the Smart AE Awards 2022. And this one goes to the USA. We say congratulations to Fluence and the United States. That's your applause. Can you hear your applause? I can't. Yeah, now I can. All right. Congratulations.
We'll take that with us and
yeah. Before you get your certificate and all the benefits, let's watch a short clip about your award-winning technologies.
Based in Virginia, USA, Fluence was launched in 2018 and is dedicated to deploying and operating energy storage systems around the world. The Fluence IQ software platform enables renewable energy plant and storage system operators to generate automated bids for power supply and grid services. The software uses artificial intelligence to calculate the best price for the plant operators to offer their services on bidding platforms based on forecasting parameters such as weather, demand, and supply over a 24-hour period. This enables operators to optimize their financial returns across their portfolios of power generation plants and storage systems. It also reduces the amount of manual input needed at the control centers to keep the plants running at optimal levels. The jury applauded the intelligence of this AI-powered software-as-a-service project that relies on existing grids, also citing the exemplary pricing model. Moreover, high potential is seen for boosting storage integration into the grid, especially in the context of electromobility.
Yes, and here comes the Smart AE Award for Fluence and the Fluence IQ. Congratulations. Thanks. Step forward a little bit. Well, let's talk about the Fluence IQ real quick. We've heard that, of course, you're using AI for the system, but did you also use AI for the development?
So, yes, I mean, we have been also using AI at all stages of the development of the project. It's also a very innovative solution, very much accepted and appreciated also from the market. It's not so by chance or by coincidence that we are here today. So we are happy also to serve all of the customers all around the globe to enable a much more sustainable energy transition as fast as possible.
Perfect. And can this software work with any system, or are there any special requirements?
No, I think it can integrate into anything, and I think that's what we do as Fluence. We build an ecosystem where different kind of technologies can be plugged in. And in the end of the day, it's always we see in the energy system more and more data points that need to be worked through in order to build an optimized integration of energy and renewables. And this just needs automation, this needs artificial intelligence, understanding where will the bid need to be in an hour's time or in a day's time and so on. And that's really what our software is all about.
All right, so I think today is the day to celebrate the software. What's this? This is a certificate. You could show it to our photographer. He really likes that. Once again, big applause for Fluence.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You get this as soon as possible. All right, that was the first out of 3 in the category Smart Renewable Energy, and here comes winner number 2. Announce that this award goes to Transnet BW. Long ways here in this big hall. Congratulations. Hi. All right, same procedure. Let's take a quick glance what DARE is all about.
Transmission System Operator, Transnet BW, operates the electricity transmission grid in the German state of Baden-Württemberg. DARE, the Security Network Initiative, is a cloud-based IT platform co-developed by Transnet BW and the distribution system operator Netze BW that facilitates coordination between transmission and distribution systems across all voltage levels. This nationwide initiative in Germany encourages grid operators to take an active role in managing grid feed-in. The digital platform coordinates measures to stabilize the grid and resolve congestion in a way that is decentralized and flexible. All stakeholders are enabled to fulfill a significant proportion of the new regulatory requirements of Redispatch 2.0 through the streamlining of the coordination process. The automated congestion forecasting will also make collaboration between stakeholders more efficient and lead to a more securely and cost-effectively managed power grid. The jury called this project extremely smart, extremely logical, highly applicable, and awards its importance for the energy transition in terms of network stabilization and security.
And here it comes, the Smart EE Award for Transnet BW. Congratulations. Extremely smart, that's what the jury says. I say heilig splechle. Now you won. Congratulations. How does that feel?
Great, thank you. We're very happy.
It sounds a little bit German, of course, because we have the Datenaustausch Redispatch, which is no wonder because, of course, you have German partners, right?
Yeah, we have many partners for this project. We worked on it for, I think, more than 3 years now, from the first idea to the final platform solution now.
And here we are. Here we are. How are you going to celebrate this tonight?
We will inform all of our colleagues because we're actually a huge team. It's not only us two representing DARE tonight, but we are about 200 people, including all the IT developers. So it's kind of a big project and everybody will be very happy and grateful.
All right, thank you very much, and I wish you a lot of fun with that and continued success.
Thank you.
Okay, and we have one more to go in this category. Here comes winner number 3. I say herzlichen Glückwunsch und küsst die Hand für unseren Wattpiloten von Fronius. Congratulations! From Austria. You can choose this way or that, both are fine. Yeah, for this big venue here, the song is too short. Hi, congratulations. Servus. All right, and here again comes a short clip about your award-winning technology.
Founded in 1945 in Austria, Fronius International manufactures welding, solar energy, and battery charging technologies in 36 sites around the world. The Fronius Watt Pilot is an AC charging solution that enables users to charge their electric vehicles while optimizing solar self-consumption. Watt Pilot can automatically switch between a single-phase and 3-phase electricity supply, offering optimized charging of electric vehicles from 1.38 kilowatts to 22 kilowatts. This wide range ensures even small amounts of self-generated excess energy are put to use, which maximizes the amount of solar electricity in electromobility applications. This wall box unit also has a built-in connection to power suppliers with variable tariffs, which means vehicles can be charged when the electricity price is low, where such tariffs are available. The jury commends the potential for adoption by a wide segment of the population, thereby contributing to the transition to renewable energy, as well as its price-performance ratio.
Everything correct? Perfect. Then
They did a great job.
Then here it comes, the Smarter E Award 2022 for Fronius. It's the second one in just 2 years, right? Because we had the pleasure 2 years ago, but
exactly.
virtually.
Yeah. We are very, very grateful for that. Thank you.
How did you use the award that you won 2 years ago in terms of marketing and so on?
Yeah, of course. It's a great award. Many know the Intersolar, so it really says something about the innovation. You can use that very good internationally in marketing, communication. And we got a good feedback on social media about the award.
Okay, perfect. Because all the winners, they get sort of a startup package. It's like a big marketing push with a winner logo and a lot of stuff that you will also see tomorrow and from tomorrow on also at the booth, I guess, with the roll-up banners and so on and so on. So 2 years ago it was hydrogen. Now it's this wall box. Why that?
Why that? Because it's a cool product. So I use it by my own, and it's a cool feeling when you charge the car with your own produced energy.
That's true. All right, nothing to add. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Party hard tonight. Well, the first winners, the first 3 winners of the day are history, so to say. So let's move on to the next category, and this is outstanding projects. And here are the finalists. All right, an interesting circle here too, so let's find out who will be the first winner. Congratulations to the project Tokai 2 and Fenecon. Last year, finalist for the ES Awards. This year, a double finalist and a winner. Herzlichen Glückwunsch. Congratulations. Herzlichen Glückwunsch. And again, a short clip. Film ab, bitte.
Founded in southern Germany in 2011, Fenecon produces electrical storage and energy management systems for housing, commerce, and industry. Fenecon developed a stationary storage system made up of a combination of new, zero-use car batteries that are kept as spare parts and second-life batteries from Renault electric vehicles. The new zero-use batteries are cycled lightly so that they are preserved properly while waiting to go into an electric vehicle. The system is installed in containers and is used as a primary control reserve for grid stabilization. The future goal is to also use the battery storage capacity to offer energy management services for industrial customers and utility companies. Inside each container are 72 Renault Zoe batteries, each with a capacity of 40 kilowatt hours, connected to a storage unit with a capacity of 2.88 megawatt hours. The containers provide stable and battery-saving operating conditions. The jury awards the clever combination of spare parts and second-life batteries, noting the significant potential of the application given the rapidly expanding e-mobility sector. Extracting the most value out of raw materials used to manufacture the batteries delivers impressive economic benefits.
Also, everything correct? Then, here it comes. The award in the category Outstanding Project for Fenecon. Well, one sentence in German, läuft bei euch, because last year finalist ES award, this year double finalist, and the first award is yours. How does that feel?
It feels great, and also feels really great for the team that really does all the inventions. And yeah, it's an honor for us to get all of that.
Did you bring the team? Yeah, there are some more, right? Okay. Well, tell us a little bit about your spare parts depot. How does it work? Where did this idea come from?
Yeah, actually, we have several partners within this project. There is the Mobility House, which was the initiator of this project, together with the group Renault, who was providing the batteries for this project. And we have in total 72 batteries inside, and they are actually used kind of a spare part in the future, and now they're providing grid services for the next 5-10 years until they will be needed to be used in the car for as a spare part.
Mm-hmm. All right, thank you very much. That's your award. Maybe you can step a little bit forward for the camera teams and the photographer, and then you get another big applause and party hard. Or maybe I'll see you again later. I don't know. Take care. Fenecon. All right, then let's move on to the next winner in the category Outstanding Projects. Congratulations, and the winning name or technology is a palindrome, Cirrus, or the other way around, Silis. Yes, congratulations to the Center for Renewable Energy Services from Bangladesh, all the way. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Your film.
Yep. The Center for Renewable Energy Services Limited was founded in Bangladesh in 2015. Supported by a grant fund of the World Bank, the company has implemented its Smart Solar Irrigation System, Cirrus. The system supplies solar power for sensor-controlled irrigation pumps that automatically control how water is distributed across fields, preventing over-irrigation and reducing water and diesel consumption. A pay-as-you-go system provides small-scale farmers with operating models that deliver self-sufficiency in the long term. The process is optimized according to local crop types and the pH value of the soil. When the system is installed, the crop planted is selected via an app or web interface. The jury was impressed by the high environmental impact of an innovative approach that addresses major global challenges surrounding agriculture, water use, and energy, especially in areas vulnerable to the effects of climate change. Controlled by smart web and mobile applications, this clever, scalable solution offers compelling economic, ecological, and social benefits.
Yes, and here it comes, the Smart AE Award 2022 in the category Outstanding Projects for the Center for Renewable Energy Solutions from Bangladesh. Yes, thank you. Can you hold both? Okay. So a little bit forward. Well, you traveled all the way from Bangladesh just to be here today. I think, first of all, the trip was worth it, but still, that's a great honor for us.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's an honor for me. In fact, this is the second time. Back in 2016, one of our research project, peer-to-peer smart village grid, that also won the Intersolar award back in 2016, and it is very happy to be here again in 2022.
As I said, great honor for us, but tell us a little bit, why is this watering thing such a big topic in Bangladesh?
I would say, in fact, we are working, and renewable. Bangladesh is one of the pioneers in off-grid rural electrification program. So, and 2016, in fact, 2015, we have conceived this idea and then got the financial support from World Bank to make a pilot project. And since then, we are developing it. I mean, the mobile app and also the sensor-based irrigation system, that will definitely reduce the water requirement in the village area. And we have found that almost 1.5 million diesel-based irrigation pumps is running in Bangladesh. And if we can replace it, we can reduce simply a lot of carbon emission. And also, in the conventional irrigation systems, the farmers need to be there in the field for irrigation. But this process is sensor-based, so it automatically determines how much water is needed, and when it is needed, it will pump, irrigate the field, and after that, it will just stop. So we are reducing groundwater, and this definitely will have a huge impact environmentally.
Perfect. A great idea. That's why you received this award. Congratulations once again, and enjoy your time in Munich. All right. Then let's move on to winner number 2. Yes. 3. And we say congratulations to Fluence once again, this time with a project in Lithuania. You know the way already. I mean, yeah, it was so nice, I know. That's why I'm standing here too.
They said we should come on stage, but they are really the winners because that's their project.
That's a project, okay. Well then, congratulations.
Thanks.
Congratulations. Congratulations once again, and congratulations once again. Let's step forward a little bit and again watch a short clip about this outstanding project.
A Siemens and AES company formed in 2018 and headquartered in Virginia, USA, Fluence Energy develops energy storage products and services and digital applications for renewables and storage. In operation since 2021, a Fluence pilot project in Vilnius, Lithuania, is one of the first in the world to use a battery-based energy storage system in the transmission network and acquired by a transmission network operator. The Grid Booster storage system is highly responsive with a processing time of 87 milliseconds and can switch from charging to generation mode in 70 milliseconds. Described as virtual transmission lines, this type of grid booster enables operators to make better use of the existing cable infrastructure by staggering power transmission. Powering the grid with this technology paves the way for greater energy independence and decarbonization for Lithuania and other regions easing away from dependence on fossil fuels. The jury commends the important and future-oriented idea of expanding grid capacity with batteries, an idea that will gain importance as renewable penetration accelerates.
And that's why you receive an award for this. And here it comes. The second Smarter E Award in the category Outstanding Project for Fluence. Die beiden haben ja schon einen. Gib ruhig hier den. All right, so we are talking about a project in Lithuania. Why did you choose this as the location?
Lithuania?
For the project.
Location is not important. I think the importance is that we have 0 batteries in Baltic states at this stage, and going from 0 to 1 is a big change for us. And now we increase, and in 1 year we will have 200 more. So the hardest thing was to make this step from 0 to 1.
Okay, well then let's talk about the grid booster. How boosted will his impact be? What do you expect?
Well, actually we implement this concept in the 3 different ways. We can trigger it by the external command to activate the 10 different control logic, and we can also trigger it by the frequency deviation and by the voltage deviation as well. So it's 3 different things to activate the grid booster and to increase the transmission capacity for renewable energy.
And I guess it's also going to be a booster for your party tonight, right?
Of course, of course, of course.
I mean, the really exciting thing about the project is, I think, that this was a demonstrator project, and now Litgrid is building 200 megawatt of storage into Lithuania to secure the stability of the system and the smooth integration in the continental European grid area. And I think, yeah, it's definitely a great honor for you guys and for us as well to have won that.
All right, impressive numbers, and congratulations once again to Fluence. All right, well, those were the winners for the Smarter E Awards 2022 in these 2 categories, Smart Renewable Energy and Outstanding Projects. But as I said before, we have 6 more awards to hand over, and 3 of them are going to be the ES Awards for Innovative Storage Solutions. And again, it's time to give it up and, of course, to mention our top jury for the ES Awards. Please give it up for this lady and these gentlemen for supporting us here in that great way. Well, and here are the finalists. As I said before, also 3 equal winners for the ES Award, and here comes winner number 1. Congratulations to a very young company. Congratulations to Voltfang. Yes. Young men from a very young company, right? We are going to talk about this in a minute, but first let's check out Voltfang Industrial.
Startup Voltfang was founded in 2020 in Aachen, Germany, and develops battery storage systems from used car batteries for stationary applications. Voltfang Industrial offers a commercial storage system at the battery module level that relies solely on used lithium-ion batteries from electric vehicles. The system is compatible with battery modules of various types, sizes, and voltage ranges. The proprietary master battery management system can communicate with and continue to harness the module BMS. With performance sufficient for storage applications like PV self-consumption, peak load shaving is a potential market. By prolonging the remaining lifetime of EV batteries in stationary applications, carbon dioxide emissions are considerably reduced. The jury awards the strategic concept, which covers all relevant steps of the value chain of Second Life systems, including a testing procedure to determine the quality and safety of the batteries, advanced engineering, and the ability of the system to integrate Second Life batteries from different automotive manufacturers. The company asserts that battery life cycles from electric vehicles can be extended by between 8 and 15 years in Second Life applications.
Everything correct?
Everything right.
Perfect. Then you well deserve this award, the ES Award 2022 for Voltfang. You get our little winner box with all the stickers and pins and a little USB stick with all the data on it, so you can use it right away for social media and so on. Well, but as I said before, you're you're not also only very young yourself, but the company is, I think, was founded 2 years ago, right? So yeah, that was quick. How did you manage that?
Actually, we managed it because we had a really motivated team, purpose-driven team. We are right now 30 people, and we couldn't do it without them. And we are still growing. We are still gaining like advantage because we are developing our testing system and so on. And therefore, we are also partnering up with many companies, and it's a hell of a ride.
I'm pretty sure you will find some more partners also here in the next couple of days. Tell me, where do your Second Life batteries come from?
Yeah, so we have different sources. We have batteries manufacturers, we have car manufacturers, we also have recyclers. So we have a lot of partners, a lot of contracts already to be safe for the future.
All right. Talking about the future, but the nearer future, is the entire team here? Or how many people are here from you?
Not yet. We are a lot of people are here right now because we have a stand here for the first time. It's a pleasure, and but a lot of them will come.
Don't party too hard tonight, because tomorrow people are going to come to your booth and say, we want that. We want to learn about that.
What time does it start? What time does it start?
The exhibition?
Yeah, the exhibition.
Oh, for you, let's make it 11. No, at 9. 9 o'clock. All right, congratulations once again to Wolfgang from Aachen in Germany. Two more to go in the category of the EES Awards. And here comes winner number 2. And I say ni hao and congratulations to contemporary Amperex technology from China, or CATL. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right, and again, some more information about your winning technology.
Thank you. Headquartered in Fujian, China, Contemporary Amperex Technology Limited is a global provider of new energy technologies, solutions, and services since 2011. Ener1 is their outdoor liquid cooling battery energy storage system. It is based on lithium iron phosphate cells with a nominal capacity of 372.7 kilowatt hours with a surface area of just 1.69 square meters. The cells with a capacity of 280 ampere hours have a discharge rating of 1C and guarantee a lifespan of up to 10,000 cycles. The system is suitable for inverters between 600 and 1500 volts. It can be used flexibly in outdoor applications thanks to IP66 of the main components and the ambient temperature range of -30 to +55 degrees Celsius. It has passed critical tests on the cell, module, and rack level, including a propagation test on rack level without the need for any support from a fire suppression system. The jury awards the well-designed and well-engineered, fully integrated system that opens new avenues for installations in regions with harsh climatic conditions, such as the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa, and commends the potential to drive down costs through integration across the value chain.
Yes, and here it comes, the ES Award 2022 for CATL. Congratulations once again. You have, of course, also traveled a long way, but I think not only because of this award, it was worth it, right?
It's well deserved. I think this is the first time for us on the stage, but we have the whole team to be here, really to promoting and bring our technology for the industry. This is we're really so proud able to receive the award. I'm so thankful for the ES jury to really award this one. And also we are so proud of our engineers really bring the innovations to the industry. So this, you can see, is well fit for the industry and the utility applications. That's only start.
But we've heard about the technology, and I know that you're offering basically everything among the value chain in terms of storage. But the jury also mentioned the design. How did you, or why did you put a strong focus also on the design?
Actually, for this design, we work very closely to our customer and demands in the market. That we are listen to the voice from our customer and the project requirements. Is very excited to have these products launched into market from last summertime. We're really proud of this solution.
Maybe I can add. So basically, our innovation normally based on the three directions. One is really the materials, recipe, which is the foundation of technology. The second one is extreme manufacturing, so bring the high reliable solution to the market. The third one is really about the system integration. So it's not only from the one piece of it, it's really entire system we bring the reliability to the market. The fourth one is about the innovative business model, really adaptive to so many applications. So we dedicate ourselves for innovation to bring more solutions to the ESS.
Perfect. Then we will see you again up here. I can promise that. Congratulations once again to CATL from China.
Thank you.
Your applause. I think I counted right this time. There's one more to go. Here comes the winner number 3 of the ES Award 2022. Congratulations to Stabel and the SI 100. Another very young company. Yes. Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations. Yes. Here is what the Stabel SI 100 is all about.
Founded in Munich, Germany in 2019, Stable Energy develops power electronics for battery storage systems. Their SI100 modular multi-level converter for battery storage systems replaces standard battery inverters. The usual switching process is no longer relied on to generate alternating voltage for the grid via a separate inverter. Instead, the stable inverter generates the AC voltage by switching battery modules on and off in a dynamic sequence to incrementally increase and reduce the output voltage in a kind of staircase pattern, ensuring that all battery modules are charged and discharged equally. With lower switching voltages and frequencies, the conversion efficiency is higher than with standard battery inverters, reaching a maximum of 99.4%. The concept enables the integration of battery modules in different states, which is an advantage for second life applications. The jury was impressed by the high conversion efficiency, the ability of using different battery modules within one system, and the overall lighthouse character of this creative technology.
Well, an award for this lighthouse character, and here it comes, the S Award for Stabel from Munich, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Whew, how does that feel?
Well, I'm overwhelmed completely.
That was our goal, basically. And you?
Yeah, it feels very good, obviously.
As I said before, you're from Munich, and you're a very young company, of course. But tell us a little bit about your innovation, because we're talking about a very small size. Why did you choose that? Why didn't you choose something bigger?
It only appears to be a small size. It's that our electronics is put on every battery module, and we need to have a string of 8 to 10 things, and then it turns out to be a 3 rack-sized system.
So it's bigger than it seems.
Yeah.
All right. Tell us a little bit about the markets, or your aiming markets and clients. Who is supposed to buy it soon?
Basically, we're looking for storage integrators. We're a classic supplier of our energy conversion system, and we're heading for the commercial and industrial storage market because we're connecting battery modules in series, not cells as other companies do, and we think this is very well suited for the commercial market and also second life applications.
All right. Well, I guess you could make some interesting contacts in the next 3 days. All right. Well, as I said before, you're from Munich, so don't party too hard tonight, but celebrate it. It's well deserved, and use all the marketing support that you get with this award. Congratulations once again to Stabel. So 9 awards are handed over. We have 3 more to go, and those are the Intersolar Awards, our evergreen. And again, I of course want to say thank you to our top jury. And now, please, could you, all the jury members, no matter for what award, could you just stand up for this 1 second, and then you get big, big applause. No matter for what award, just whoever worked with us, thank you very much. Yes. All right, from the jury members, once again and for the last time today, here are the finalists. Three more to go, and here comes winner number 1 of the Intersolar Award 2022. And that's a loud ole, and congratulations to Spain and Gamesa Electric. The Proteus Pv 4700 is your award-winning technologies. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. And again, a short clip.
Gamesa Electric is a subsidiary of Siemens Gamesa Renewable Energy and is based in Spain. The Proteus Pv 4700 is their central inverter for large photovoltaic parks that combines very high efficiency with a particularly high power density. Its hybrid cooling system is made of a liquid circuit for highly utilized components and an air cooling system. This ensures that the inverter operates at high outdoor temperatures without power derating. The central inverter also has only low harmonic components in its output current and can actively suppress certain harmonics with selective cancellation, making it suitable for use at relatively weak grid connection points. The jury awards the hybrid cooling system and low harmonic distortion, commends the robustness and long life cycle of the product, while also noting the importance of efficient high power density for open-field installations.
Yes, and here it comes, the Intersolar Award for Gamesa. And let's step a little bit forward once again. As just mentioned in the film, your colleagues from Siemens Gamesa just won last year. Now you, how does this innovative idea come, or this spirit come from?
Well, this is not the idea that came overnight. This is the effort of many people working many years and doing this now. This is a great celebration for us and a great honor, but it's a team effort from engineering and for all the departments of Gamesa pushing hard for this.
Pushing hard, and I've mentioned this a couple of times, of course, partying hard, but how are you going to use this success today in terms of marketing and so on and so on? Because pushing hard, you have to bring it also to the market and sell it at the end of the day.
Yeah, it's a very good product, so I think it can be sold very, very well.
It sells by itself, and you can use the award, of course, to push it. Tell us a little bit about, well, now we know where we are today, where we're heading to. What can we expect from you or in general for the next couple of years? And days, of course, too.
Well, in power electronics, I mean, there is a continuous effort to increase the basics of power electronics, which is power density, efficiency, increasing production, reliability. There is a long way to go yet. We have reached amazing levels this year, but we keep pushing. The engineering team is working very hard to make it better.
Right.
So this year we will come back with something better.
Perfect. Hope to see you then again right here. All right, congratulations once again to Gamesa. And let's move on to winner number 2. Congratulations to M10 Solar Equipment. Because this award will move to Freiburg. Ich komme Ihnen entgegen. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Herzlichen Glückwunsch. Congratulations. And again, let's watch a short clip about this very special surface.
M10 Solar Equipment is part of M10 Industries in Freiburg, Germany, and is a manufacturer of photovoltaic module production equipment. The surface production process interconnects solar cells using the shingling method. Solar cells cut into 6 strips are precisely connected to each other with a very small overlap of 1 to 1.2 millimeters using a conductive adhesive. The surface system can also position the solar cells in a brick pattern, The result is a shingle matrix that enables a slight curvature, as well as more shading-tolerant modules. This offers high potential for applications in building facades, for vehicles, and other integrated applications. The jury was impressed by the creativity, uniqueness, high precision, and productivity of the system, and were excited by its potential as a multiplier and enabler of environmentally friendly PV module technology, especially for the integration market.
Well, and here comes your Intersolar Award 2022 that goes to M10 Solar Equipment. Yes, well, it's a coincidence that you come from the city where one of the organizers comes from first, because the jury don't care about that, all right? But is an environment like the green city of Freiburg helpful? Is this like very innovative, makes it easier to come up with ideas like this?
Yes, it is, definitely. It's the Solar Valley. For us, definitely, it is. And it has been a green city all over the years, and we like to push that topic on the maximum, and I think we have done it with our solution to be prepared for the best and latest new technologies as well for the future of cell bases. Yeah.
What do you think? How does it come that this great potential of the integration into buildings, into walls, facades, and so on, has still, let's say, a way to go? Why isn't it that, well, why don't we see it that often that we could?
Yeah, there are a lot of technology changes in the last several years. So it's like a sprint. It's not only a sprint, it's a marathon. And so we have to speed up the technology, and that's why we decided to bring in a new machine. Yeah.
It's a sprint marathon, so to say. All right. Well then, celebrate, enjoy this victory, and here's your applause once again. All the best for the next 3 days. M10 Solar Equipment, ladies and gentlemen. So we have one more to go. Here comes winner number 3 of the Intersolar Awards 2022. And this award will go north to Norway. Congratulations to Rex Solar. And their Alpha Pure series. Pooh, that was close. Congratulations. Congratulations. And now let's enjoy for the last time today a short clip about this award-winning technology.
Founded in Norway in 1996, REC Solar Group produces solar cells and modules and other clean energy products. Alpha Pure is one of the first mass-produced certified lead-free PV module based on crystalline silicon and is in compliance with the European Union's ROS directive on the restriction of the use of hazardous substances in electrical and electronic equipment. Alpha Pure also offers up to 410 watts of power at 1.85 square meters, equivalent to a module efficiency of 22.2%. This is achieved by combining the powerful heterojunction solar cells with a wire-based interconnection technology with no gaps between the individual solar cells. The jury was impressed by the high performance and efficiency of the black modules and considers the power output for this product outstanding. Its low carbon footprint and the absence of lead makes it an outstanding and more sustainable alternative to conventional solar panels that is also very attractive for the rooftop market.
And here it comes, the Intersolar Award for Rex Solar, and it's just mentioned twice outstanding. Never heard that before. Congratulations. let's step forward a little bit. 2 years ago, you have already won an award for the Forerunner, right? And how could you develop it that fast? That's quick.
Well, with the Alpha, we produced our first AJT-based panel. With this one, we took it one step forward by trying to make the module as compact as possible, and also, most importantly, as your video showed it very well, put out a lead-free RoHS-compliant product, which is important for our future, of course.
So if I calculated right, 2 years ago, today, so what are we going to talk about? Oh, no, that doesn't. In 2 years. But you are always welcome. But what can we expect? What are you working on next, if you want to tell?
Well, of course we can tell, right? It's always about more efficiency in our industry, and we are thinking we're making great steps there. But also, more importantly, it's getting, as solar grows, right, we also need to become more sustainable ourselves. And that's what we're working on with our lead-free products, and we really want to reduce our own footprint too while we grow.
Perfect. Nothing to add at this point of time. Thank you very much, and congratulations once again to REC Solar. Please stay with me now, because we are now facing the great photo shooting, but this is your applause. All right, so that's basically it. We have handed over 12 awards, if I counted it right. So all the winners, please join us here on stage with the organizers for the great photo shooting. And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite you to the next upcoming events. You can see them now. Just write it down real quick or put it in your iPhone calendar or smartphone calendar, because we're really looking forward to, again, seeing you there. And if you want to stand up here again next year, or for the first time next year, why don't you apply starting from January 2023? All right, and now we would like to invite you to join us for having a glass of champagne. Therefore, just follow the white lines and then turn right or left, and then we have a little balcony where we can party hard. And please, all the winners, come up here, join us. And well, if you're not too tired now, please give it up for our award winners of the day. Thank you. Yes, that's it. I'm looking forward to again seeing you next year or in the next couple of days. Till then, stay strong, healthy, and innovative. All the best. Bye-bye. Und Sie kommen. Let's move over here a little bit, and then we just fill the stage. Können Sie einmal mit anfangen?